Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be showcasing a few things that I created for a Halloween Pasteloween swap. I know I'm late, but I need to get this out as soon as possible. I wanted to film a few of the goodies that I made for it because I love them so much. I think they're so cute. And yeah, so I can pack it up and send it out. I was going to do a pack with me video, but I still need to wrap up her gifts. I'm only going to be showing what I made. I'm not showing her gifts. That's going to be up to her to film her video once she receives her goodies. But let me get on with the video and show you guys what I made. So I altered this cute little coffin, and it's like a little chest. I painted it with acrylic paint in pink, and then I did the black little stripes. I added some of the little plastic spiders, and in here, I'm not sure if I want to show what she has inside there, but I'm not going to show what's inside. So I altered this cute little coffin for her. A lot of her gifts are wrapped up, so those I'm not going to be showing. This one is already wrapped up, but I need to get a different wrapping paper for the other ones. But a lot of her wrapping is going to be with tissue paper and some cute little tulle. I still have to do a few more things, but I'm not showing her gifts, you guys. I did make her 2 wands. So this one is the one that I actually had right here. And this is the other wand, which is going to go on another one of her gifts. I made her the cute little rosettes with the splatter paint that I had showed you guys. So I packaged it up like this. I made this cute little bag topper. I added some of the little embellishments that I had made for her as well to decorate the bag topper. So that is one of her handmaids. This is another little gift for her. Super cute. She has another little embellishment right here, the little hearts. I love these so much. And I found these cute little corners in my stash, and I added them to her packaging, and I think it looks adorable. So that's hers. And then I'm also sending her 2 memorydex cards, and I packaged them up like this. I used my little bag toppers that I had made. So she's got this little memorydex card, and then she's got the other one on the opposite side. This cute little witch legs. So those are hers. Also sending her some cute little witch brooms that I made with the Spooky Boo. It's a cute little bag topper. Send her those so she can use next year on her projects. She also has the cute little bows. And you see these little corners, you guys? How cute are these? There's a little sequence inside. So those are hers. Well, everything's hers. She's also got these cute little banners that I also added the corners to. And I did the little bag topper so she can use these to kind of decorate her projects. And then, let me move this. I also made her, it's super funny, you guys. I'm going to tell you a quick little backstory. We had been talking about the swap, and she had told me that she didn't like Hello Kitty. There's nothing Hello Kitty here, but I wanted to make her an embellishment box, and I didn't have any more of the ones from the dollar store. So I was looking through my stash, and I'm like, I knew I have some boxes, and I found the box. And you guys, it is so funny. Look at what the box is. It's Hello Kitty's head. So I reached out to her, and I'm like, I think you said you don't like Hello Kitty, but it's really cute, and everything inside has nothing to do with Hello Kitty, so I hope you don't mind. And she was like, it's totally fine. So I put this cute little embellishment on it. I splattered the paint on it to match everything that I made for her. I made her this cute little tassel on the little embellishment box. And then I'm not going to show you guys what's in there, but she's got some goodies inside her little box. So I did make her that. And then I made her this little book right here. And let me show you. It's also with the splatter paint, and it's kind of like an embellishment book where you can like put goodies inside. So this is what the book looks like. I decorated the front. I put some little candy corns here. I put the letter C for her name. The splattered paint I stitched all the way around. As you can see, it has like these little boxes right here. I did the little Hobby Lobby trim. She's got a little witch broom right here that I attached to the binding, which I think looks cute. And this little stitching. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And then I just added some goodies in here for her. I sent her some of these little trims that I had stitched together. I sent her a cute little butterfly for Halloween. I love altering stuff, so I did send her these fun coasters that I found. So if she wanted to alter them, she can do that. And the colors are so pretty. I sent her 2 little flags. And I put a little shaker in here for her. So that is like a little mini embellishment book that I'm sure she's gonna enjoy. It says Spookified by Liller, and I love the paint splatter. But that is all the goodies that I made for her for the swap. Everything else is all store-bought items because we had agreed to do store-bought and of course handmade. So yeah, stay tuned for her video when she posts, when she opens the box. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Let me know down below what you think. Do you think it's super cute? I love this Hello Kitty box. I love it so much. I love the splattered look. I have to definitely play around with that one more time. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.